Okay, this is going to be a short demonstration video of the servo tester. The servo tester is the board right there in the center, you'll see, and I've got a standard 4.8 volt NiCad battery connected up to it on one side and a standard 3004 Futabo servo connected up on the other side. Now you'll notice the connectors on top. The battery can go on either side and the servo on the other side. It doesn't matter. The polarity is marked on the connectors, and it is important that the servo and the battery be connected up the correct way. The good news is it won't hurt anything or damage anything if you get either the battery or the servo hooked up backwards. It just won't work correctly. Now the black knob in the center near the bottom of the circuit board is the manual control knob, and I'm going to rotate that and show you how you have manual control of the servo whenever you rotate that knob back and forth. And there's a button to the left right here. If you push and hold that button, it will cycle the servo automatically back and forth, and the speed of the cycle is adjustable with that same knob. So you can cycle it from very slow to very fast. This is the slow setting. You'll see that the servo is just stepping almost one gear at a time. Now I chose this servo because this servo has a dirty potentiometer, and you'll see that when it's connected to the tester, you see how it's jittering back and forth. That servo would give you real problems if you were to use it, especially on an airplane in flight. Now the neatest feature of the servo tester, in my opinion, is this little red switch that you see on the right hand side of the board. When that switch is moved to the center of the board, it centers the servo and holds it there. And it doesn't just move it there and leave it, but it is holding the servo there. And when the switch is in that position, the manual control knob is disabled, so you can't move the servo from the center position as long as that switch is in that position. You move it back to the right away from the center of the board, and now you have control of the knob again, or the control of the servo again. And you'll notice that there are certain positions that you can put this servo in that it will jitter very badly. It doesn't do it all the time, but that's one of the useful features of this tester, is to identify bad servos. Okay, that's it.